In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like we're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find a post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started.
Brand new OEM lid lock. Put it on. It was in a locked position, which was kind of new for me. Anyways, once I installed it, it unlocked. The lid dropped in and then it locked. And now all it does is flash lid lock. It will not unlock. And it just sits on sensing.
Okay, here are the comments from Lorenzo. You have a broken line wire. If you think the wire is not broken, it is. It is. Confirm it. If you don't believe it, use your continuity from board to pump. If pump wires are good, check pump. Last shifter might be stuck or broken. I'll link you to my video. Cody, check to see if lid is bent at the strike. Would make sense of locking but won't unlock. I've taken a flathead at the front side of the strike and pushed to get to unlock sometimes. Dale, the shifter, we just fixed one the other day with this issue and it ended up being shifter after replacing main control capacitor and lid lock. Jesus, check drain pump or for broken wire to the drain pump. Chris, it's probably a broken wire near the drain pump. Extremely common on these style washers. David, main board or broken wire somewhere. Jonathan, main control board. Scott, drain pump wires broken. Pretty common issue causes this. Anthony, board or broken wire near drain pump. Okay, that's it for the comments. So remember to comment, like, and subscribe. For you DIYers and you appliance techs, chime in if you can be of some help. Have a good one.